This is flawless 11888. As you can see, you got the camera over there to make sure everything's all in order. But here we go. If there's a raised card, we'll randomize it. If not, there's no point. Let's do it. Now, a lot of discussion on what the best way to do this is. I enjoy a peel for the seal. Oh, just such a nice feeling. All right. So that's definitely something there. What else have we got something in front of? Oh, I'm ripping away immaculate things. What the hell? Ah, these are the ones I need to use. Sorry about that. Let's try that one more time. That's something. That's something. That looks like maybe just a... All right. So that's covered, that's covered, that's covered. I hope you didn't see anything. And if you did, shut up about it. Yeah, apparently 3 hits. All right, good luck to all. Up first for Cleveland to 20, Jim Thome. Apparently it's 2 encased hits and a thing. Oh my God. Frank Chance to 10 for Chicago. To 25. Oh my goodness. Joe Ryan, 17 to 25. And I tell you what. Uh, 17, what a patch. Player worn. And a lot of these guys wouldn't have actually played yet, so may not have game worn stuff. To just 3 for the Diamondbacks, Alec Thomas, RPA, with the tag, player worn material. Very nice. And I'm going to have to randomize this card. To just 5 for Tampa Bay, Josh Lowe. God, this is just a pretty product. To 15, it is Colton Cowser, 13 of 15. Again, amazing patches. Player worn again. To 20, walk-off World Series homer, Joe Carter for Toronto. For Cincinnati, 25 of 25, it's Pete Rose. Hide it from Kane. 25 of 25 for Cincinnati, it's Pete Rose. All right, let's go to the one with the guarantee in front. Nope, that's a prank. It is only 2. Lol. It's only 2. That's nothing. Oh, well. Here we go. Up first to 20, the Gem, 9 of 20, Vladimir Guerrero Jr. That's a funny prank there on old Blakey. And then it's for Washington to 15, Juan Soto, 5 of 15. Another beautiful card. Oh boy. Now we got to randomize the Rays. Whoever's on top wins the Rays. This, of course, was flawless 11888. Nice box. Here we go. 5 times whoever's on top wins the Rays. That was very solid. Good luck. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Rays not on the list, obviously, 4. And 5, top is the Yankees. 5 times, Yankees on top. Let's find out who's got them. Congratulations, Yankees. Yankees in this flawless go-to. Who's yanking me? Nathaniel Davidson, congratulations. All right, that's flawless done for tonight.